All right, guys. So I want to walk you through how to double space a document. It's a pretty easy process. All we need to do is, if we already have the content typed out, just select everything, go to Format, and go into Line Spacing and select Double. And you'll see that now this whole document has been double spaced out. Uh, we're just starting and we want the entire document to be double spaced. We're just going to go and apply it at the beginning. And now as I type, you'll see that it is going to double space automatically. So that is how you're going to add double spacing. Now, if you are doing this for school and you need to make it a certain number of pages, you can also adjust your margins. And to do that, you would just go to we're going to go to page setup here and then our margins. And you could probably make it so it's not very noticeable by going 1.1, 1.1, 1.1, and 1.1. That's going to make the text area smaller, which should make your article actually longer. And you can see that, honestly, you can hardly tell that it changed. I go back and forth between the two. So that's how you're going to double space, and that's how you're going to make your article a little bit longer by adjusting the margins. Hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.